We're waiting for the signal from the referee signal from the ref. All right, we have first round of the first bout. Prince of Ash with a low kick. Oh wow! Connecting.
That's on the chain and a punch.
Excellent striking.
Medyo malapit. Mukhang magandang pagkakakapit ni Prince of Ash Ablate.
So kaya ba ni Yul Accident Caballero?
Usually, ang ganitong posisyon po mga kaibigan ay